Welcome to Silver Cajun Metals YouTube video, and got this graphite mold in this week, and I don't know how many troy ounces is going to fit into it, but we're going to fill her up and see how many troy ounces she is. She's a pretty nice size mold. The graphite mold looks in pretty good condition. It should be brand new because I ordered it brand new. The furnace is on, but she's not at room temperature, or melting temperature should I say. I do have some extra silver, and if I don't have enough to fill her up, I'm going to remelt her, and I got extra silver to put her into to make sure I fill her all the way to the top and to see how many troy ounces she is. Furnace is all up to temperature, and let's go ahead and melt. Ooh, that baby is hot. Let's see what she come out like. Oh, pretty nice. Let's go over the scale and see what she weighs. The scale set for troy ounces. So let's put her on and see what she's gonna weigh. 12.3. So we're gonna call her 12 troy ounces. That's what she's gonna be. 12 troy ounces. And take a look at her again. She's pretty good. She got a lot of ripples on her. And that little tutu you see right there? That's going to go away after you polish it a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp her. And after I stamp her, I'm going to show you what she looks like. Just finished stamping my 12 troy ounce bar. Stamped the top. I stamped the back of it. The top I had to do the fleur-de-lis because I don't have my small crawfish stamp. Didn't come in yet. But on the other side, I got my big crawfish stamp, and it's stamped on there. The 2020 defined silver, and also 12 troy ounces, which the bar came out when it weighed. The bar came out nice and shiny. You can see the fleur-de-lis real good. You can see the ripples in it. Came out real shiny. On the back of it, that's the 12 ounces that we was talking about. 12 troy ounces, 0.999 fine silver. My crawfish stamp. 2020, which is our year, and she came out real good. For the first time I pour a big bar like this, 12 ounce, troy ounces, and she came out real nice. Well, hope y'all like it. Please subscribe, make a comment. I'll be making some more videos, and hope y'all like them. And see you on the next one. Later.